riding. I think this might be the last time you'll see me. After this, all is left is Sydney, which I won't bother showing you because you know what it's like. It's just congestion and me whinging about the traffic. This guy is very keen. Absolute blast on this trip. It was amazing. Every day had its own challenges, I guess, but overall it was really good. I'm really glad I did it. What did I learn in this trip? Probably a few things. Probably one of the things is this blanket is amazing. Perfect, exactly what I needed to stay the right amount of warmth. I learned how to ride on gravel. I learned that people up north do tend to actually wave instead of the nod. Not every road is what you think it might be. Leaving early is always a good idea. Please take mozzie repellent. Make sure you make a really good list on what to take with you so you don't forget anything. If you're relying on electronics, make sure you know what you're doing. Be flexible and adapt to every situation. If possible, bring an extra camera. If you enjoyed this video and you like it as much as I like to create it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have any tips on what I could do better or any recommendations, please leave a comment. 700 horsepower.